Hari Om children. Today in mathematics we shall learn the 8th chapter, that measures of length. Okay, so what is measures of length? What is length? So we use length to measure how long the object is. Understood children? If we measure the length, means that if we measure how long the object is, it is the length of the object. So if I measure how long this marker pen is, so that will be the length of the marker pen. Understood children? So in measuring of length we have two types, that is non-standard units and standard units. Okay children, so in measuring of length we have two types. One is non-standard units and next is standard units. So today let us learn only the non-standard units of measuring the length. So what is this non-standard units? So this in non-standard units. So in earlier days they didn't had any standard measures to measure the length of an object. So what did they do? They used their body parts to measure the object. Like they used their fingers, their hands, their legs to measure the length of the object. So when they measure, so one person may be tall, one person may be short. Okay, so their hands, their foot, it varies from one person to another. Okay, so if they use their body parts, so it is different from one person to another. So that is why it is called as non-standard units. So what is non-standard units? In non-standard units, they use their body parts to measure the length of the object. Okay, so in this non-standard units, we have four types, that is forefinger, handspan, footspan and cubit. Okay, so in non-standard units we have four types, that is forefinger, handspan, footspan and cubit. What is forefinger? So in forefinger, if we fold the thumb finger, okay, hold your hands like this children. So fold your thumb finger, and if we hold our hands like this, the distance between these four fingers, okay, the distance between these four fingers, that is from the index finger till the little finger, the distance between these four fingers is called as forefinger. Understood children? So we have folded our thumb finger and the distance between these four fingers is called as forefinger. Now using these four fingers, let us measure this marker pen. So this is one forefinger, okay, and next this is the second forefinger. So what is the distance of this marker pen? It is two forefinger. So if we measure using forefinger, it is two forefinger. The length of this forefinger, the length of this marker pen is two forefinger. Okay, understood what is forefinger children? Next, handspan. What is handspan? Okay, hold your hands like this. Okay, you have to stretch it. Hold your hands like this and fold these three fingers. Fold these three fingers and stretch it. Okay, so the distance from the tip of the thumb till the distance of the little finger. The distance from the tip of the thumb till the distance of the little finger, this distance is called as handspan. What is it? Handspan. Understood children? So we have to stretch it. We should not hold it like this. This is not handspan. Okay, you have to stretch your hands. as much as possible. Okay, so from the tip of the thumb till the tip of the little finger, this distance is called as hand span. Okay, now let us measure the distance of this length of this pencil. So can you see here? What is the length of this pencil? It is 1 hand span. What is it? It is 1 hand span. Okay, now using this hand span, I'll measure the length of this board. Okay, so what is hand span? Hold your hands like this, children. So this is your hand span. I'll measure the board. Okay, so from 1 hand span, 2 hand span, 3, 4 and 5. So what is the length of this board? It is 5 hand span. So what is the length? It is 5 hand span. So understood what is forefinger, children? Forefinger means we use these 4 fingers. So it is not like this. We have to keep our fingers closer. So this the distance from the index finger till the little finger, this length is called as the forefinger. And what is hand span? We fold these 3 fingers and we have to stretch our hand. So the distance from thumb to little finger is hand span. Next is foot span. So what is foot span? So this is our foot. Okay, from the longest toe, which is our longest toe, from the longest toe till the tip of the heel. Okay, till the tip of the heel. From the longest toe till the tip of the heel, this distance is called as foot span. Okay, children. So what is foot span? From the tip of the longest toe till the tip of the heel, this distance is called as the foot span. Okay, so now let us see an example for the foot span.
Now I am going to tell you how the distance between 2 points on the ground is measured using feet. One way of expressing such distances is foot span. Foot span is the distance from the tip of the longest toe to the end of the ankle. Let us measure the distance between these 2 points that are marked on the ground. Place the end of the ankle of one of your feet on one point like this, and then stretch your other foot just ahead of the first foot like this. Now lift the first foot and put it next to the second foot like this. Keep walking like this in a straight line until you reach the other point on the ground. And keep counting your steps too. In this case, we observe that the distance between these 2 points is 6 foot spans.
Okay, now have you understood what is foot span, children? So what is foot span? From the tip of the longest toe till the tip of the heel, it is called as the foot span. Okay, now let us learn what is cubit. What is cubit? Have you all seen the flower seller? How do she sell her flowers? She uses her hands to sell the flowers. Okay, so the tip of the tallest finger, longest finger, the tip of the longest finger till the tip of the elbow, this length is called as cubit. What is it called? Cubit. So tip of the longest finger till the tip of the elbow, this length is called as cubit. Understood, children? So using the cubit, let us measure this wire. Can you see this wire? So now let us use the cubit. So this is our longest finger. I'll hold the wire like this. So up to the elbow, tip of the elbow. So this is 1 cubit and this is another. So how many cubits it is? It is 2 cubits. So what is the length of this wire? It is 2 cubits. Understood, children? So what is forefinger? Forefinger is the length from the index finger till the length of the between these two fingers, index finger and little finger. This is called as forefinger. And what is hand span? Fold the 3 fingers and we have to stretch our hands till the tip of the thumb till the tip of the little finger. It is called as hand span. What is foot span? The tip of the longest toe till the tip of the heel. The distance between it is called as foot span. What is cubit? Cubit is the tip of the longest finger till the tip of the elbow. This distance is called as cubit. Understood this, children? So these are the non-standard units. In non-standard units, we are using our body parts. So if we use our body parts to measure, then it is the non-standard units of measuring the length. Okay, children, I hope you all have understood these 4. Okay, using your foot span. Using your foot span, you have to measure the length of your living room. Understood, children? This is your homework. You have to measure the length of your living room using your foot span. What you are using? You have to use the foot span and measure the length of your living room. Okay, children. So tomorrow we shall continue with the standard units of measuring the length. Hari Om.